Hi friends, this is Jitinder from TechWarm. Honor, which is sub-brand of Huawei of China, has launched Honor 6X smartphone in India. And the USP of this phone is its dual camera setup. I will discuss this later. And to start with, this phone comes in two variants, 3 GB RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, and 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. 3 GB RAM version is priced 12,999 rupees, and 4 GB RAM version is priced 15,999 rupees. And this phone comes in three colors: gray, silver and gold. In my hand is silver color. As far as the design of this phone is concerned, this has a unibody metal design, which you can see there are curved edges on both sides, and very premium metal has been used to give it a very premium and elegant look. And this phone doesn't look like a phone of 30,000 rupees. It looks a very expensive phone when you hold it in your hand. And because of its curved edges, you can it gives a good grip, and you can easily it will fit in your palm, and you can easily operate it with your single hand. And despite the fact that this has a screen of 5.5 inches. And as far as other design features are concerned, volume rockers and power button, this is volume rocker and power button are given on the right hand side. This is a dual camera SIM slot which has been given on the left hand side, and this is a charging slot, and the speaker has been given on the bottom. And the audio quality of speaker is quite good. You will enjoy watching movies and other your media content on this phone. As far as its display is concerned, this phone comes with 5.5-inch full HD display having a resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels. It produces bright and sharp colors, and it has good viewing angles. You can see from any angle. And as far as its sunlight visibility is concerned, which is also decent. And the display comes with 2.5D curved glass. The other important feature of the display is that it comes with the eye comfort mode feature, so you can adjust it according to your requirement, and it will protect your eyes also. This is eye comfort feature or provided on this phone, so that is another plus point of this phone. And as far as its main feature is concerned, that is dual camera setup, which is the highlight of this phone. And this phone comes with the 12 megapixel primary camera with LED flash. This is a primary camera, 12 megapixel with LED flash, 6p lens, 1.25 pixel size, face detection autofocus, and wide aperture of f0.95 to f16. And the secondary camera is of 2 megapixel sensor, which give you depth of field and bokeh effect. So that is one of the highlights of this phone. And this phone provides very good images, and the quality of that is superb, and it will beat any premium phone also. I have captured a lot of images on this phone. I'll just show you. Besides this, it comes with various modes also, so like professional photo mode, beauty mode for selfies, and professional video for videos, night shot, panorama mode, HDR mode, good food, light painting, and time-lapse feature is also there. Slow motion feature is also there, which you can use for your videos. And you can also make videos in 1080 pixels on this. And I'll just show you some of the images captured by me on this phone, which have come quite beautifully. You can see here. I mean, these are very you will get lot of detail, contrast, everything you want in a good camera. It will give you everything which you look for a very professional camera also. So full marks to this phone for high-end camera. And despite the fact that this phone is just priced 13,000 rupees, still you get almost all the features required of a good professional camera. Plus it also has 8 megapixel front camera for your selfies. The selfie camera suffers a little bit in low light conditions, otherwise it's okay. And even in premium phones, low light is also remains an issue, so that is not a major issue as far as this phone is concerned. As far as fingerprint sensor is concerned, it has been provided behind the dual camera setup, which is also very fast. For instance, I have registered this finger on fingerprint sensor. I'll just show you. I am switching off, now I'm switching on. Now I'll put this finger here and the phone starts. So it's very fast. And during my several attempts, because this phone I have been using for the last 3-4 weeks, this fingerprint sensor has never failed me. Besides unlocking the phone, you can also use a fingerprint sensor to click your selfies. So that is an additional feature provided on this phone. And as far as the performance of this phone is concerned, despite the besides high-end camera, this phone also comes with other very impressive hardware. For instance, it is driven by Kirin 655 octa-core processor, which is Huawei's own processor. And this is octa-core processor. 4 cores are clocked at 2.1 gigahertz and 4 cores are provided at runs at 1.6 gigahertz clock speed. And as I told you, 3GB RAM, 4GB RAM variants are available with 32GB and 64GB internal storage, which can be further extended up to 128GB via micro SD card. This phone runs on EMUI 4.1 OS of Huawei, based on Android Marshmallow, which is very neat and clean and easy to operate. So as far as the performance is concerned, during my usage, I have never experienced lags or frame drops or app crashes. Multitasking is good, and multitasking in fact runs smooth like a water, and you can play games, even high-end games with a lot of graphics without any problem, without any lags or crashes. So that is another beautiful feature of this phone. So performance wise, this phone performs very good, and again full marks to Huawei for putting such a beautiful feature in this low price phone. Another plus point of this phone is its battery, which is 3340 mAh, and to add more power to the battery, this runs on 16 nm CPU, and power saving technology has been used, which enhances the life of the battery. And during my usage, I have observed that it has worked even more than 1 day, and depending upon your usage, if you are a light user of your media content, etc., it can last up to 101 day and 1.5 day. So it depends upon your usage, but 1 day is definitely there, and you don't require charging for 1 day. Only thing let down is that this battery doesn't come with fast charging, but that has been compensated with the power saving technology. And this phone also comes with your SOS button. I'll just show you. This is emergency service. Here it is, and with the SOS button, it will send SMS to preset numbers and will also provide localized information. So that is another advantage. And it also supports 14 languages on this phone. That is Assamese, Tamil, etc. So those persons who are not comfortable with the English language can always use the language of their choice on this phone. So that is another additional feature of this phone. And this phone is 4G VoLTE enabled phone, and Huawei is known for 4G VoLTE technology. So 4G, when you use it in a 4G environment, the call quality is very good, and this has never failed me. Even in when I was in basement, I was using Airtel 4G connection on this phone for few days. So overall, friends, this phone, to sum up, Honor calls it swag phone. Yes, it is a swag phone. And why it is swag phone? Because of its design, which is premium, elegant, and doesn't look like a phone of 13,000 rupees. Looks like quite expensive when you carry it in your hand. Very fast fingerprint sensor, dual cameras setup. In Kapil's word, in Kapil Dev Cricketer's words, इसका जवाब नहीं है, or produces very sharp results. So you will enjoy your photography with this dual camera setup. Overall performance is good, and battery lasts for full day, despite the fact it doesn't have fast charging capabilities. And as far as not so cool features are concerned, as I told you, there is no fast charging on the battery, and this phone has hybrid SIM slot, so you can use either 2 SIMs or for extension of your internal storage, 1 SIM and 1 micro SD card. So overall, I would give full marks to this. And this phone will compete with the Redmi Note 4, which Xiaomi has launched recently. Their 3GB and 32GB variant is 10,999 rupees. That is 11,000 rupees. But this phone, Honor 6X, will overpower that Redmi Note 4 because of its camera capability, and it provides far sharp images compared to Redmi Note 4. So if you are looking for a good overall performing phone and a good camera, then the answer is definitely Honor 6X. And if your budget is around 13,000 rupees, you can definitely consider it. Thanks for watching this video, and you can always you can also subscribe to my video channel, and also have a look at my blog post, that is techworm.com. Thanks and bye.